Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Versatility is this Chevrolet's forte. In less than a minute, you can go from a tough and capable truck to a sleek and roomy SUV. This rare capability gives it a striking appearance that is sure to turn heads. The alloy wheels don't hurt either. As far as convenience is concerned, you'll find cruise control and keyless entry are always there to make your life easier. You need a vehicle that's as unique as you. You need to take this Avalanche for a test drive today.
At Edwards Mitsubishi-Bellevue, we also serve our customers with a stress-free sales experience. We're conveniently located at 808 Alberta Avenue in Bellevue.